On this episode of Custom Fab Garage, we're going to be going over a wide body Mini Cooper that we had built. In the previous 4 episodes, you're going to watch the backstory and the previous history of this vehicle that we had custom built a few years ago. If you watch episodes 1 through 4, they're going to kind of go over everything that we had previously built in 2018, all the way up through 1 through 3 in episodes. Episode 4 is going to go over kind of what happened to the vehicle when it took a strong right turn. Basically, the owner did not want to wait on me to build the wide body. He went to somebody else. I was super busy, and that video in video 4 will show you basically what had happened, and he had stopped on the wide body because he did not want to proceed any further. This video is going to kind of show you what that person had actually built or started to build, what was underneath that wide body that they had done, because they had actually nut-serted the wide body to the body of the car, then fiberglassed over it, put speaker grill cloth, speaker cloth, fiberglass, all these different things all over it. They damaged the wrap, damaged the vehicle, damaged the body, resin dripped all over the vehicle, wheels, everything. So we're going to kind of show the exterior of this wide body that this person had built. We ripped that off, cut it all out, and show what's underneath that. We're going to clean all that up. So this video is going to kind of go over that, and then we're going to kind of go over some of the things we had to do to clean up underneath there and cuts and get the wide body prepared to go onto the vehicle. So basically we had to cut out more of the wheel tubs and the wheel wells to be able to accommodate the wheels to go all the way up on the air ride. The air ride would not go all the way down, it was going to cut the tires. So in this video we're going to kind of show how we prepare ourselves for the new wide body that we're going to build, and the preparation for what we had to do from the other person and what damage had been done to it from there. We're also going to make an episode after this that will probably continue this process in preparation for the new wide body that we're going to build. So stay tuned. We're going to show how this Mini Cooper came to us. So this is a little video showing kind of what we're having to start with and deal with. So this is the driver's side rear, where there's Duraglass and everything just dropped on top of this quarter. And then if you go over here to the front one, this is what they've done to the front one. It's all scratched, taped up down here. The wheel has gotten resin dripped all over it. You know, there's resin dripped on here. They didn't tape off anything. They didn't, you know, the wheels were just exposed. You know, there's resin drop there. There's overspray all over the car from where the tape line is right here. There's overspray all above. They've got all over the wrap. They must have buffed a car right next to it and shot buffing compound all over the top of this car. Everywhere there's buffing compound on this beautiful car. Then this one is the one that they've somewhat done. If you kind of look here, and then they grind it into this with the die grinder, and
this is kind of what we're dealing with here. So everywhere that this isn't at from this line around, there's overspray all over this. They die grinded into there. I mean, this is just ridiculous. I can't even believe people do work like this. Same situation here. I mean, this is an extremely nice car. I guess that they tried to plasti dip this, I'm guessing, and it's just already coming off. I mean, this car is super nice to be looking like that. Well, we are going to be starting on this Mini Cooper project for doing the wide body. Someone else attempted to do it. They didn't quite get enough cut off on here, so we're going to have to cut off more and clean all these cuts up. It's just, you got to get this all nice, and plus this is sitting down hitting the tire when it's fully aired out. They actually nut-serted into the body and then fiberglassed over it, so they were permanent, and it ate into the wrap, it destroyed it. They dropped fiberglass all over the vehicle, hit the vehicle here. I mean, here's a lot of damage done to this. This is what it looks like right now. There's just a lot of stuff that we're going to have to fix when we go into this. We're gonna have to take these are gonna have to come completely off because they come so close to the tire. We're gonna have to bring this out farther. It's an awesome car. Then they put tape on this side, and the tape residue, because they used dollar store tape, is just horrible. They dropped Duraglass on the car. There's just so much stuff that's bad. There's actually resin dripped on the wheel and on the tire. There's resin all over the tire where they dripped on these brand new wheels. But I mean, you can see where the nut certs were. We had to cut all this out. I mean, it's just terrible. I mean, this can't get close to that tire at all. We're gonna have to cut way more out. But probably gonna have to end up rewrapping this, mainly because that tape has just destroyed the wrap. But this is an awesome car. We did a full audio in it, tinted the taillights, just interior swap from tan to black. This is a big project, and then somebody else ruined this part of it. So we did these headlights in black because they came in chrome. We refinished all these because they were completely destroyed. But it is a badass car, and we're gonna make it back to how it used to be before this happened. All right, this is how bad it is. Kind of showing a video of how bad this cut is and how bad the tape marks are, how bad this cut and jagged. We're gonna clean all that up, get all this looking normal. So this is step one. We've got to fix all this before we go any further, because these jagged parts here and all this are falling down into the tire and can almost slit it and cut it. Same for the back side. Look at how bad these cuts are. Those are going to cause problems when it falls down, because this part right here just falls right down into the tire. That's just going to cut the tire. It's so sharp it just almost cut my finger. So we've got to fix all this and clean all this up.
There it is. Oh, motherfucker, dude. Bro, that was a big ass fucking spider, dude. Look at how big that motherfucker. Dude, that bitch was that big, just fucking running across. I hope that's the only one. Doubt it is. Big motherfucker.
So we've got this cut. Still haven't cleaned it up 100% around, but literally compared to what it looked like before, it was a massacre. So we're gonna see if this is enough room to drop down and get the air ride to go all the way down. Okay.
Push the front back at 20.
Okay, air out the back too. Okay, air out the front. Okay.
Uh-oh. Air it up, comrade. Let's see what happens. Oh, shit. Uh-oh. Oh, baby. It's like a pregnant roller skate. Hell yeah, I got a 4x4 Mini Cooper.